like injured my arm from hitting it. Why do I keep
All
doing
in,
it?
Maria?
I just want to go to the next thing.
Yeah, it's got to be classical, hasn't it?
Bruno.
Oh, brilliant.
Abba.
This is the one.
Oh my God!
They do die.
It's going on. He's an
Oh my god! I haven't watched this one all the way through. Oh my god! I haven't watched this one all the way through. I think I got to like the 4th one, and I stopped watching it because I was so embarrassed. I haven't watched it all the way through. Oh my god! He's a psycho!
We weren't expecting that.
Oh my god, I'm in it again!
Because that will settle it a little bit.
Right fist.
Did you really fly in from America to Burping?
Yes, I'm home.
Really? It was so stupid. It was
Oh
brilliant.
no! He's like
And that's a
predicting it.
compliment.
No more. Oh my god!
Someone was on the Richter scale.
How many times am I in this shit?
And where do you see this going if you were to go
Again.
through?
No, she can't go any further.
Well, look, there's not much to say. Bruno, yes or no?
It's a no, my love.
At least.
How the fuck